this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you're able to update your blog with posts and images. So whenever you sign up for at least the Showit in the basic WordPress blog or the advanced blog, what you would do is you would get an email with your admin URL. And that way you're able to actually go and log into your WordPress blog. Anyone who's dealt with WordPress, this is what it looks like as far as the admin dashboard on what you'd see on our end. Now, this is a dummy dashboard. This is not my actual blog dashboard, but it is functional just for tutorial purposes. So when you get here, you want to check your email to make sure you have the username and email address and the password correct. So you would just go ahead and put in whatever information you are received in that email and then click login. And this is where you'd be able to actually create your blog posts. The WordPress blog pages, if you can see the blog templates down here, the ones that look like this is where you would see most of your blog posts. This is what the actual post would look like once it's clicked on. And this is also a post page. It would look fairly the same. But essentially what you see here, this is not what you're actually editing. This is just to edit what it would look like once it renders out. But you don't want to touch this. You actually don't want to type your blogs here because it's WordPress hosted. So you want to go here into the dashboard and you would click on posts. And then you would click on add new. All right, and this is where you would go ahead and input your blog. You type your blog, add any images, the same as you would as you have before. And if you're new, this is exactly where you would go ahead and input the blog information. And then when you click publish, if you were to go to your website's domain and go to the blog section, it would actually spew out what this blog information would be. So it is good to know, and I can show you what that would look like. Let me see if I can actually pull up the test blog. Let's see here. Here we go. I think this is it. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. So there's some test blogs already in the test blog that I have pulled up. So you can see here, these are just random blogs, but this is essentially what it would actually end up looking like. And if you were to click, it would go to the actual page. And this is where your blog information would be. Again, this is all just test blog. This is not actually anything important, but this is what you would end up seeing, and it would be different for every post depending on what you put. See, something like this is more along the lines of what you'd see as opposed to just text in the last one. All right. So that's how you would go ahead and update your blog. If you have any questions about this process, head over to the Facebook support community and ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist. Or you can email me at hello@bwpdesignstudio.com.